Action. Hi, Wen-Chia here. Happy New Year. Happy 2025. Just doing some gardening today, and it's a beautiful day. So I thought, hey, you know what? Why don't I start some seedlings to plant in the spring? And if you start some new things a little early, then it'll give it a little boost when you put it in the ground. So here's an example of something that I have started. It's a little tomatillo. I think I showed you this in my garden once, but they're like little fruity tomatoes. It's like a cherry tomato tart, but good. Actually, let me just show you real quick where it is. Come follow me. Follow me. Okay. Sorry, my garden's a little messy, but this is a tomatillo. It's kind of late, but look, here's something on the ground. Look, here's one. See, that's a tomatillo. And okay, my hands are dirty. I don't want to eat dirt. Let me take this off. Okay. Peel it open and show you. See, look at that. Delicious fruit. Open it up a little bit. Any dirt on it? No. Mmm, juicy. That's what the seeds look like. It's like a little juicy berry. Anyway, we'll plant some of these. Actually, I'll use one of these to plant. So you can take this. This is pretty easy. So I have some reusable containers here. I don't like to specially buy any container. Just like if you have any plastic pots or cups, just reuse them and plant them. And then, are you taking a drink, Noah? Hi.
Yes.
Noah's my cameraman today because Andrew's doing work. And then here's a little bucket of just soil from my garden mixed with half compost from my garden. And that's a good seedling starter because it has a lot of nutrition. Yeah, it's okay if you want to get potting soil, but you don't need to. You can just use soil from your garden and a little compost. Okay, so here, this container, look how easy it is. Just take this thing, stick it in there, and put a little soil on top. That's it. And then just water it and keep it moist. Some other little things. Oh, I want to show you this. This is it's kind of dormant, but this is a pomegranate tree that I had started last year. I put a pomegranate seed in there. It's actually, I think it's 2 years old, but I put it in this pot and it grew. And so I've been taking care of it, but I think maybe I'll put it in the ground this year. So this is an example of a reused pot. Okay, so here's some seeds that I'm going to plant. Oh, by the way, this handy dandy gardening pouch my daughter McKenna made for me out of upcycled fabric and then some straps she made. So it also works well as a pickleball pocket. When I play pickleball, it holds the balls for me when I don't have pockets. Yeah, so these are the seeds I'm going to plant today. Thank you, Kanoa, who's my cameraman. Gave me these seeds for Christmas. Some lemon bee balm and Genovese basil. Both fragrant and delicious additions to cooking. And I'm going to start out some cucumbers too, and some catnip for the kitties. Okay, so let me show you how to do, well, I'll just do one of these and let's see. It's pretty easy. Okay, this is the one I put tomatillos in, so I put it over there. And I should probably label them, but I don't need to because I know what it looks like when the seedling comes out. Okay, so you just put a little bit of seeds here in your hand. Look how fine the basil seeds are. Okay, oops, I think I lost one. They're so fine and tiny. Actually, I think I'm going to take off my gloves because I was doing some digging in the compost. That's why I had these gloves on. But I'll just throw it in here. Okay, I'll take these off. It's easier to handle the seeds. Okay, whew. So here you go. I'll do it again. Here's the basil seeds. Wah! They just come flying out. So when I work with kids in the garden, I tell them you pour it in your hand, kind of hold it, especially on a windy day, and then you use your little pincher fingers. Your fingers work great as tweezers, and like this. And then you just sprinkle it. Doot, 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 doot. So I think I'm going to do this pot of basil. And the thing with basil is it's really fine. The smaller the seed, the less you cover. So this is how much soil I can use. Simply like a tiny dash of soil. That's it. Like a fine dash. And then you kind of press it down. You can use your fingers or you can just use your shovel to press it down. That's it. Okay, basil. And then we got lemon balm. Let's put this one here. Ooh, this is very, lemon balm is even finer. Look, it comes in an extra little smaller pouch inside, so it doesn't get blown away. Okay, hopefully this grows. I planted mugwort last year and it had very fine seeds like this, and it's easy to get lost. So good thing it's not windy today, but look how small those seeds are. Okay, so I put basil in this one and do lemon balm in this one. And this one, I'm not gonna put soil on top because it's so fine. I'm just gonna gently mix it like as if nature blew the seeds onto the soil, and that's it. Okay, so I did basil, lemon balm, and tomatillo. I think I'll do a catnip here, and those 2 cucumbers. So there's the catnip. Also, catnip isn't just for cats. People can have it too. Did you know that? Okay, there's some catnip. There's some catnip. Get a little more soil on that one. That's enough. Okay. And then, what are we gonna do? Oh, cucumbers. And that's it, right? And I'm gonna do an extra little one of cucumbers so I can give it away to somebody. Because cucumbers, everybody loves cucumbers. Oh, look, cucumbers. This comes in a little special pouch too. I guess because sometimes they put them in these pouches so that it doesn't get moldy. Cucumbers can get moldy very easily. I don't know if you've ever left a cucumber in your fridge for too long. They're prone to mold. Okay. I'm going to do 2 in here. 1, 2. And then maybe I'll do 3 in this one. 2. And then when the sprouts come out, I'll make another video to show you. Sometimes if a seedling doesn't look too healthy, it's okay to yank it out, because you're better off putting a healthy seedling in the soil than trying to keep an unhealthy seedling alive. Okay, that's it. And then I'm just gonna water these and then take care of it, and in like 2 to 3 weeks we should have some little seedlings. Yay! Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.